Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we've got a 2019 Kia Forte. I'm going to go over how you would replace the battery in your key fob. If your key fob's not working, to unlock the doors and you know that your battery is good in the vehicle, it's your key fob that is most likely the battery's gone bad. So we just need to flip it upside down, not the side with the Kia side on it. You flip it upside down this way. Use a small screwdriver to get in there and just kind of pop this cover off. That cover pops, then you can just remove it. And then we've got 4 screws to remove here. These are pretty small screws. And that pops the cover off of the battery. And so just kind of press it down and press it to the left. Well, press it where you would have your key ring, right? And pull the battery out, and then you would get a new battery to put in there. And this is a CR2032, right? So push the corner in down there and just snap it into place. And put everything back on. We got this little rubber gasket holder to line back up. Then we have our cover plate. And so we put the 4 screws, tighten them back up, good to go, and then just line this up and just snap it back on into place, all snap together, and then you would just test it, make sure that that's all you needed to do to be able to get into your car. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.